it's an honor to welcome the president of IMTMA, and might I add, the first woman president of IMTMA, also the director of Grindmaster. Thank you so much for joining us, ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you here at the booth, or rather at the studio. I wanted to start by asking, firstly, congratulating you as this is the first IMTEX in your tenure as president.
Yes.
So what is different about this IMTEX now that you're the president?
Yeah. So this is IMTEX forming, which happens alternate year, to IMTEX metal cutting, which happens to be larger. But this year we have amazing response, probably because the sheet metal forming industry is growing double digit. It's about 20% growth in the consumption of sheet metal forming machines. And that could be the reason for amazing response in terms of the square feet area booked as well as the footfall. And it feels good.
I'm sure. Yeah. If I were to ask you, as a technocrat yourself, which technology would you say is new and upcoming and, you found interesting at IMTEX Forming 2026?
Yeah. So you will find a large number of new exhibitors, which are also MSMEs. It is not only the machines, but it is the ecosystem. And customers are demanding more and more complete solution. So be it automation, if you take a press, unless you have the right automation in place, unless you have the Industry 4.0 in place and now AI in place, it will not happen. So we are kind of bringing together the providers of these technologies on the same platform.
Right.
Apart from this, we felt that welding is also sheet metal related. So we have Weld Expo, which is by Welding Association, but it is a concurrent show and customer can benefit from that. So in other words, sheet metal working shop will have everything they need at one place.
Right. What I'm hearing you say is that it's a hub of the entire ecosystem and for everyone to gather in that sense, right?
And apart from this, I wish to point out here that day by day, the level of precision in every manufacturing is growing up.
Right.
So the components which are produced on the machine are more and more accurate. And so the technology also has to upgrade.
Right.
And also 3D printing is making a big stride. In fact, 3D printed parts of 3 meter are easily produced on Indian machines now, which is a very big achievement to my mind.
Right. I mean, definitely India is making huge strides. And with that in mind, if I were to ask you, do you think automation systems is the way forward and that's where we're headed?
Yes, certainly the automation is the way forward. And you will see that earlier automation was considered an expensive affair and it was restricted to the top cash-rich companies. But now if you see, even MSMEs or even only a small industry is buying robots and automating their handling system or processes.
Right. If I were to also ask you your thoughts on how the metal forming, the sector per se is developing and growing. So which direction do you think that's going towards?
See, metal forming is required in every vertical. So take automobile is required, aerospace, defense, engineering, even infra. You see how so much is happening in infrastructure in India, and all that needs the machines finally to produce. So everything finally requires the machines. And so I think the growth is coming from all these sectors. I would not say equally by different amounts, but the growth is coming from all these.
Right.
It's not only one sector giving us the growth.
Right.
Machine tool companies have also understood that we cannot depend only on automotive.
Right.
And so the efforts are being made by IMTMA also to give a sector focus. So various sectors we are evaluating, we are developing machines to cater to those sectors.
Right. Lastly, before I let you go, if I were to ask you briefly in one sentence to tell me what is the one thing that you would hope the attendees and exhibitors to take away from IMTEX 2026?
I would say that currently India is in such a situation that now or never.
Right.
Do it and do it now.
I think you heard it right here from Mohini Kelkar, President of IMTMA. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time and we appreciate your insight.